que no se apartan de mí.
In a little town called Santa Rosa. Yeah, I think we can turn right there. Yeah, I just parked in the middle of the road because this town is that quiet. So one of the things you'll see a lot of is these little towns. You'll have the big towns, and then you'll see like what looks like another little town kind of off in the distance. And it is. There's little towns everywhere because they can sustain because there's not so much regulation, restriction, things like that. A little town like this, it's just very simple, but there's businesses, there's restaurants, there's cafes, there's little grocery stores. Do you have a snack, you big girl? So yeah, the town is just right up there in the hills, and you know, you get down, there's these towns and you'll see them nestled at the base of these little hills, or not so little hills, these little country farm towns, and then down below you'll see all kinds of lush farmland and just all kinds of stuff going on down in the valley. I don't know how many people are in this town, but it's nestled kind of in the base of the hills here, and down below, as you can see, is really good farmland down there below. So it's actually a really nice area, and we come up here, just kind of look down the side streets, and it's a bustling little town, and it goes right up into the hills, and you'll see there's houses kind of planted right up in the base of the hills. It's really neat. It's actually really cool, these little laid-back towns, because they're so tranquil and calm. So, hola, buenas tardes. The van's big, so we have to watch out to make sure that we don't get too stuck. Because, you know, the roads are all old cobblestone here, and you can see that here. They're just old cobblestone. It sometimes hasn't been updated in probably, I don't know, 100 years. There's this long dirt road here, and down that road, that is El Mirador. Vamos a El Mirador. Switches to cobblestones. Now we're talking. Now it's a town. Hola, perro. Es muy tranquilo, Sir Kaki? Every time I'm like, this one's gonna be like a ghost town. You get in there in these little towns tucked back in the middle of Mexico, and they're bustling. People are doing their thing. People are enjoying themselves. People are living. You know what you don't see in little towns like this, though? Police. They don't have a police force in towns like this. The community's just looking out. Sure, you still got the county mounties, or the Policia Municipal, often they're called, but these are just quiet little towns doing their thing. Now it's getting busy. Now we're in San Juan del Rio. Hey, look, there's pizza. There's the Mercado in there.
Jumbo pizza.
Jumbo pizza. We found parking. And now we're just gonna go check out the town here in San Juan del Rio, from the little remote towns to the larger towns.
Half pepperoni, half Hawaiian.
Dry shop behind you.
That only sells
It's a teeny tiny McDonald's that only sells ice cream. That's the smallest McDonald's. That's officially the smallest McDonald's I've ever seen.
Their cones are chocolate.
We can't even get ice cream cones that are chocolate in the USA at McDonald's. But nah, that's okay. There's better food here. How about we look for some food? Our intrepid travelers coming to Centro in a larger town. Things are hoppy. señora.
alma llorona que no
I'm gonna split this between you two, and then you can
Manny
have
Titus? Is it a jail or a pizza house? Like chocolate and some other flavor that I don't know what the word is, and this is more chocolate. Gracias, señor. It's ice cream time. That's what time it is. You ain't messing around, guys. Look at those two. They're dancing in the public square because here it's legal to have fun. That was fun. We explored a couple cool little towns, and we ended here in San Juan del Rio with some pizza and some music in the square, and it's so much more. It's so laid back here, right? I love it that people get together, the community, and they just hang out together in the square. It's so much more. There's so much more interaction. The kind of things that at home we would only see at the annual fair or some festival that you paid $20 to get into. Here you just go down to the town square and they're doing it, and that's really neat to see people. I feel like it's healthy. We're so kind of obsessed with staying home and playing video games and watching TV that we don't actually get a chance to get out and enjoy life so often. And they know how to enjoy life. All right, you guys, you have a good evening. It's Gavin Seim from San Juan del Rio, Querétaro State, Mexico. Peace.